Check this out, fam.
Couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm doing.
What up, fam, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Deb and Jazz recording this video. So today we are going to be making some lamb loin chops, and I don't know what we're gonna call it because we're gonna use some turmeric, some ground cumin, chunky garlic, ginger, and coriander. So we're probably gonna call it some turmeric, some marinated turmeric chop, lamb loin chops. Now, the seasoning is pretty simple. You need some turmeric. Don't pay attention to the bag. I make salves and things like that, so I get turmeric in a bulk because it is a good pain agent for pain relief. So that's why I have. But you need 1 teaspoon of all of these ingredients. And man, let me tell you, when you get to mixing it up and you see that nice orange color, man, it does something to these lamb loin chops. I actually got this from none other than Gordon Ramsay. I saw him use this seasoning and hey, that seems good. So figured why not try it, because this will be actually the first time eating something with turmeric. So, well, eating a meat that's been marinated with turmeric. So, hey, here's to it. Now, well, I'm gonna do that in the other video. We got the majority of stuff in. Last little bit that we need is our ginger. Let me get some, just scoop this on in. Pardon me. And our garlic. Now, usually you will use a mortar and pestle with preferably some fresh materials to grind down for more of an aromatic feel. However, this is the quick way. Opted for the quick way this time. Didn't want to whip out the mortar and pestle. Now, once you get all that in, you drizzle some olive oil. I think I'm gonna use a little bit more turmeric. Fritz hack. Now, your mileage may vary when it comes to seasoning. We all have different taste palates. So I think I'm gonna add a little more turmeric in. Now, I am about to pour our marinade over the lamb so that we can rub it in and put it in the refrigerator to sit and marinate. Now you guys, you can either go ahead and put it on the eye right away, or you can actually put it on and let it sit for 2 hours, preferably overnight. And you preferably use gloves, guys, when dealing with this, because turmeric will turn your hands orange when you're dealing with it. So be safe, unless you want orange hands. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so amazing. If you ever try this, come back and let everybody know how awesome this smells. I think we got a good even coat on everybody. Ooh, y'all see that?
Babe. Really?
Mm-hmm. Get all that good marinade.
Yo.
Well, so you guys at least know the meat that's coming. Let's see if you guys can guess what kind of size we're gonna do with this lamb. Baby Alex is crying, so all you need to do, make sure you get that nice tight wrap. Doing good.
Tomorrow.
So now we're coming back at you, fam. We know what y'all came for. Y'all came for y'all see that nice orange stain on it.
Remember those?
Woo. So
Babe, it's a brand new day. You better tell my fam, hey.
oh, I thought we was picking up, but what's up guys? How y'all doing today? What are y'all eating today? You know this the same video. Although we know y'all came for the lamb, you know, with it being a mukbang, we can't just have the lamb. So we got us some lobster ravioli and biscuit right here. Grabbed it. You got some scallops over yonder. Some broccoli over here.
That we're going to air fry.
So let me go ahead and get this broccoli together while they eyes heat while they whoa.
You had the wrong side, babe. Oh well.
Well,
it's okay.
It's broccoli.
Yep. What broccoli tastes like. Broccoli. Get all that. See you in a minute, broccolis.
Now,
That thing hot.
our eyes nice and hot.
You gotta put oil or something in there.
I don't know why I was glue true, but this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But I think you should wait.
Down by 8. Yep. I said that was my mess up, fam, but I'm not finna mess up this lamb, so we could just
Gotta wait till the eye cool down. You wanna boil that?
Might even drop down to 7.5.
Yeah. 8 is a little high.
Yeah, because 8
For this stove.
Nah, plus this.
Y'all, this stove is so crazy.
It's not that. We're using the Tramontina, so it keeps heat well. 7.5.
Yeah.
Alright fam, so when it comes to lamb, cooking is very precise. So if you want a medium rare, which is perfect for lamb, 3.5 to 4 minutes max on each side. 6 minutes on each side will give you a nice medium for it, and medium well will be 8 minutes on each side. So let's get these boys in here. We're gonna cook these on 3 sides.
Y'all know Bae serious about this now. He got the timer on. I told y'all, Bae like follow instructions. He the follow instructions cooker. I am not. I'm the eyeballer. Shot caller.
So how do you want yours done?
I want mine medium. I can't have too much pink, you know? You know what I'm saying?
So 6 minutes each side.
We gotta check on our broccoli. Shake them up, shake them up, shake them up, shake them. Back in they go. Woo! That thing hot. Woo!
I like to flip anyway. I don't mind tending to my food. So in the kitchen, if you got the time, you know, it's great, because even though that looks like that, I'm telling you, when you cut into it, it's gonna be marvelous. So I flipped at 1:20. So at about 2:45, I'm gonna flip it again. That way it's still cooking on both sides, but I'm dividing the cooking up so that way it ain't cooking too continuously on one side.
It smells good.
You don't want to stand up cooking and lazy.
Ooh, check us out, fam. It's mukbang time. So, as y'all can see, we had quite a bit going on to get ready for this mukbang today. But if you're still here, then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified, because if that bell ain't ringing, then your phone won't be singing. If you don't see those parentheses on the outside of that bell, then that means you're doing something wrong. Don't forget to like this video, like how the food look, if we gave you any ideas. Comment, because we talk back. Share, because sharing is caring. And until next time, fam, love you.